Hello kids, Primary 5 second term, Environmental Studies, Chapter 15, Transport. Lesson objectives: Transport in ancient times, transport networks today, road rules for pedestrians, transport and concerns. SOW reference from page 107 to 112. Now let us look at some of the old models of the modern vehicles and let us identify how are they different from the vehicles you see on the road today. In the first picture you can see the picture of the first car which was invented by Carl Benz. The old model of the car is open. Only 2 people were able to go. Modern vehicles have lots of facilities and comfortably 4 or 5 passengers can go. The bicycle. The wheels of the old model bicycle are in 2 different sizes. Only 1 person could go. The modern bicycles have more facilities than the old bicycles. The aircraft. The modern aircrafts have many facilities and more comfortable than the old model. Train. The old models of the trains ran on steam engine. Modern trains use electricity to run on. My dear students, do you know why did people move from one place to another in ancient times? One reason was in search of food and shelter. The other reason was to protect themselves from the weather and from animals. Modern technology has made transportation of people and things fast. Transport in ancient times. Before the wheel was invented, people carried loads on their head or shoulders. This made movement difficult and slow. The invention of the wheel made movement easy. Later people made wheels that had spokes and axles. You can see wooden wheels in picture A. In picture B, you can see the wheels with spokes and axles. Picture C shows an ancient boat. The earliest boats were made of logs of wood in which a hollow was made to hold people and objects. Some people made boats by tying bamboo, logs and reeds together. It is shown in picture D. On land, people built chariots and carts. Animals were used to pull carts. New inventions in transport. In the 17th century, the steam engine was invented. Steam engines were used to run trains and ships. This is a picture of a steam engine. By the 1870s, the first car was invented. Now you all know the name of the inventor of the first car. He was Carl Benz. In 1903, the Wright brothers invented the first aeroplane. In 1900s, there was a fast development in the transport systems. Subways, improved train systems, regular aeroplanes and better roads were the engineering marvels. Here you can see those pictures. Transport networks today. Roadways, railways, waterways and highways. What is the best mode of transport when you want to travel long distances with luggage? Do you know the answer? Yes, railways. What is the best mode of transport to travel out of the country? Traveling by air. Road rules for pedestrians. Who are pedestrians? People who walk on roads are called pedestrians. We must be careful when we walk along roads and pavements. I will explain you a few simple rules to follow. Wherever possible, use the footpaths. The first picture shows a footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road so that you can see the oncoming traffic. Cross the road before a sharp bend so that oncoming vehicles can see you. Young children should not be out alone on footpaths and roads. If you are walking with an adult, make sure the adult is between you and the traffic. Hold the hand of the adult. Do not cross the roads by yourself. Use zebra crossing and subways to cross the road. Another word for zebra crossing is pedestrian crossing. Do not cross the roads diagonally. It's shown in the picture. Walk straight across the road. Do not run while crossing. You might trip and fall. Do not cross behind vehicles that is reversing. Do not cross the road unless you are signaled to do so by the traffic police. Always cross in front of them. If an ambulance, fire engine, police or any other emergency vehicle approaches, keep off the road. Do not cross the road directly behind or in front of a vehicle. Transport and concerns. Fuels such as petrol or diesel are used in transport. All vehicles give out smoke which is poisonous for the environment. Air pollution causes skin and lung problems in many people. If we keep our vehicles in good condition, the emission levels in the country can be. Summary of the lesson. Before the wheel was invented, people carried loads on their heads or shoulders. The invention of the wheel made movement easy. People used boats, chariots and carts to transport in ancient time. The steam engine was invented in the 17th century. People who walk on roads are called pedestrians. We should follow the road rules while walking along the roads. A bicycle is one of the most efficient forms of transport because it does not depend on fuel. Answer the questions given. Write two ancient methods of communication. Who invented the first aeroplane? Write 3 road rules for pedestrians. Write one of the most efficient forms of transport. After answering these questions, answer the questions given on page 112 in your textbook. Now we have come to the end of the lesson. Thank you.